our last session, we introduced you to the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation. Now, in this session, we are going to conduct an outdoor activity to build the various concepts of the lesson by implementing the same idea. We are going to build the concepts of recognizing the numbers from 1 to 9. Also, we are going to guide the students on how to count objects in a collection. So, let's begin with our first period. To perform the activity, we will need to arrange number cards from 1 to 9. And before starting the activity, put a mark on 9 trees with white chalk. Next, inform the students that they're going to explore more of the entire school premises. Ask them to form a line and follow it to the ground. Let the students sit under a tree in a shaded area, forming a circle. Now, help the students recognize the numbers from 1 to 9 and guide them how to count the objects in a collection through an activity. Tell the students about the different names of the trees in the surroundings. Further, ask them to count the trees marked with a white chalk. As the students observe the surroundings, a sense of environmental awareness will be inculcated amongst them. Continue to interact with the students to help them recognize the numbers and count the number of objects. Ask them how many trees are marked with the white chalk on them. The possible responses will be anywhere between 1 to 9. Continue with the activity by spreading the number cards randomly and putting them in the center of the circle formed by the students. Tell the students to arrange the number cards in a proper order. After the numbers are arranged in a proper order, call 9 students randomly one by one. Hand over the number cards to each one of them. This will inculcate the value of patience among the students as they wait for their roll calls. Now, ask them to paste the number cards in the correct order on the marked trees. Activities such as this will help the students to develop the critical thinking skills. Appreciate the efforts of the students to recognize the number and count the objects. By implementing the innovative idea of concept explanation, the students will now be able to recognize the numbers as well as count the objects. In our next session, let's take up explaining the various concepts to our students.